there is a distinct separation between your voice and your tone. So just like in real life, you adjust your tone according to who you're talking to and what you're talking about. But your voice, which is your personality, that is consistent, that's constant, that remains the same. People respond emotionally to other people. And just like we've said so many times in everything we've done so far, your emotion is the immediate trigger for making a decision. If you think about the Sarah McLaughlin commercials for the ASPCA, I mean, she has her song playing in the background, and I'm of an angel, and you're like seeing all these dogs that have sad faces and they're crying and you're crying, and then you're like, I need to help all these dogs. And it's an emotional trigger, I mean, if she came up there and she just like, here's a dog, he's sad, money please, I mean, it's not going to have that impact. You're not going to feel that big motivation to donate. People don't respond emotionally to faceless corporate entities or robots. I mean, people can get rude to Alexa. You get upset if they don't understand you. Like, I mean, but you're going to talk to any of those like Alexa or Siri different than you'd talk to your grandma. I mean, you can ask your grandma for, direction somewhere, but you're going to talk to your grandma different than you would talk to Siri. So that's what your tone is. So you still have your same personality and your same values, but you're adjusting your tone based on the situation and where and who you're talking to. You want to treat your brand like it's a person with a voice, and you give it a personality, and you need to create conversations with your customers like a real human would in order to trigger those emotions, build trust, create those relationship connections, and really connect with them on a deeper level. I mean, people don't want to feel like they're being talked to by this, like I said, like this faceless corporate entity. They want to feel like they're being talked to like a human being.